Hey guys, Jason Catrone here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. Hey, we are Vocal Lab Collective, as we just said. And that means we work with voices.
Together.
Yes, collectively.
Collectively.
But who would you say is one of the greatest voices in the world right now?
Right now?
Yeah.
Oh, 1000% Adele.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Adele. We love you, Adele. The world loves you.
Much.
You know what I think's really cool about...
Your stories and your songs, like your vulnerability.
You know what I think's really cool about Adele? Aside from her honesty and vulnerability, which has to be there. Humor too.
So good.
And how she says, thank you. That's cool. But...
Sexy, actually.
It is really sexy.
Oh.
Everyone can like...
Adele can
I think in some way, everyone can relate to Adele.
Yeah.
Her stories are life.
Yes.
Her voice is... honest and real.
It is, because it comes from her, like the depths of her heart, her soul. And like we've had artists that have worked on her songs, and it's always we're always working on getting that grit and that just that grounding in the vocals, and she's so good at that. Yeah,
and I think one of the cool things about Adele is, you know, when you think of like the greatest singers of all time, and when you throw in people like Streisand or Whitney or Celine, Mariah, you go down that list, many of them are in that very upper echelon of really high notes of the top of the female range.
Totally.
That's not Adele.
No.
She doesn't have an extreme range.
She impacts you the exact same.
If not more.
Yeah.
Because it's so meaty and full and present and real. So anyway, all that to say, she put out a little promo, a little teaser today, because Adele,
such a tease.
She loves to tease us.
Talk about the tip.
The tip, the tease, the talent. With all the tease, we're here for you with a little sneak peek of Adele's next project. The world is curious.
The world is 30, so 30. Curious.
She's all about those numbers, right? Times and trials of life. She's ready to drop this. So we got a little tease for you here. Let's just see what she's got. It's coming. It's coming. 30. Easy on me.
Those eyes.
Oh, God, those eyes.
And the nails.
The ring.
I'm already wrecked.
The car. Oh. The music file. That's it! That's all we get.
That's all we get?
That's all we get.
What?
We get flying notes of music, papers and pages.
Okay, I'm going to go deep with this real fast.
She's got a packed car.
She's got a packed car.
She's driving somewhere.
She's moving on.
Ooh, that's deep.
Right. Okay, just wait.
Rolling in the deep. Rolling in the deep.
No. This is so much. This is so much deeper than that.
Tell us more. Tell us more.
She's moving on. And she's letting past music go. She's letting past songs and past relationships go.
Okay.
She's going forward into the present where her life is now. Okay? And whatever cassette tape she just put in is going to be the new single that comes out. That she is driving down, windows down, in the England countryside. She's letting her past go, and she's moving on towards the future. Now, it's perfect.
And I bet the music flying out the car, I bet that's actually the song. If we could collect those pages, we would know that song right now.
Because she's
brilliant
like that.
God, we said it together. That's why we're the collective, baby.
We work together, and
that's
we're
why
brother and sister,
we're the collective.
And whatever.
We're all the things.
We're all the things.
Adele, we love you.
We love you so much.
The world is excited. We want you guys. Yes. We want you guys to comment below what you think's coming from Adele.
Yeah, let us know what you think.
Let us know.
And then when that first video comes out, we will react to it.
We're going to react.
And we'll go from there with this whole Adele journey.
Until then,
who are you?
I'm Jason Catrone.
And I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are
Vocal Lab Collective.
Thank you.